To download Roguecraft on a PC or laptop, start by visiting the h.io website, a platform where developers share their games and users can support them by playing and purchasing the games. Once on the website, locate the search box at the top right and type in Roguecraft, which is the name of the game. Click on the search result, and then scroll down to the official website to learn more about the game. View the trailer and browse images. At the bottom of the page, click on the Buy Now option, which will prompt you to purchase the game for a minimum price of $7.49 USD. Although this is the minimum price, consider paying more to support the developers if possible. Select the payment amount and choose whether to give the game as a gift or keep it for yourself, entering the recipient's email address or your own, depending on your decision. Proceed to pay using either PayPal or a credit card, and once the payment is completed, download the game. If the game downloads as a zip folder, locate it in your downloads. Right-click on the folder and extract its contents. Find the extracted folder and double-click on the game to launch it and start playing.